Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create grab the sun of the sky video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to create your project on CapCut and I'm going to import the video I have just recorded, this one. And as you can see that in this video, I pretend to grab the sun from the sky and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and I'm going to add the sun to this video. We're going to click on overlay and tap on add overlay, and I'm going to add this video. I downloaded this video from the internet and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, then I'm going to blend it with my video guys. We can go to the splice and then select the lighten, and I'm going to zoom in like this and adjust the position. Wait, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, this is very tricky guys, and it will take a long time to adjust the video to make it looks natural. Okay, and I'm going to make the sun appear as I open my hand. Okay, and I'm going to add keyframe to the sun. I'm going to make it follow my hand. Okay, just add the keyframe and adjust the position like this. You can make it as natural as it can be. Okay, and I'm going to cut the unwanted video. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay, and I know that this is not perfect, but just for an example. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to create grab the sun of the sky video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.